51. After covering half of the distance of 360 kilometers, the speed of the car is reduced to 3/4 of its initial speed, and it takes 40 minutes more time to cover the total distance. What is the initial speed of the car? What is the actual distance? 360. In that half means 180 or not? Okay. Up to 180 kilometers, speed is how many parts? 4 parts. After 180, 3 parts or not? Means first 180 kilometers speed is 4 parts. Next 180 kilometers, 3 parts speed or not? Both the cases equal distance or different distance? Equal distance, but different speeds or not? Okay. And initial speed, and it takes 40 minutes more to cover the total distance. Means compared to original time, how much time are extra taken? 40 minutes more. Okay. Means 180 kilometers, 1k speed is how many parts? 4 parts. Another case 3 parts. What is the difference of the speeds? 1 part into time difference 40 minutes into 40 by 60 22 times 23 times 3 get cancelled. Okay. 4 how many times? 45 times. Then 2 parts equal to how much? 45. What is the question here? What is the initial speed of the car? How many parts we need? 4 parts. What is the answer? 90. Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. Next question number 52. In the given figure, O is the center of the which one? Circle. AB is a tangent at C. If angle COD equal to how much? 84 degrees. And what is the value of DCB or not? DCB. Already COD angle is given how much? 84. This is 84 or not? And one more. OA is the radius. OB also radius or not? O is the center of the circle and AB is tangent at CN, means C total is how many degrees? 90 or not? C is how many degrees? 90 degrees. And here OC is the radius and OD also radius or not? Means equal angle or different angle? Equal angle. Then we have taken OCD triangle. OCD triangle means sum of the angles 180. Out of 180 already 84 complete. What is the remaining? 96. That 96 is equal distribution. Means here value 48. Here also 48. But entire C value is how much? 90. In that 90 already that part 48. Means 90 minus 48. We are getting remaining 42. That 42 are which one? Angle DCB. Next question number 53. If cone of radius 9 centimeters and height 12 centimeters is cut by a plane parallel to its base at a height of 4 centimeters from the base, then what is the volume of the smaller cone? Okay. And here a cone radius is given how much? 9 centimeters. And height is given how much? 12 centimeters. Means total height is how much? 12 centimeters. Okay. And it is cut by a plane parallel to its base, height of which one? 4 centimeters. Means it is cut up to 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters means upper portion 8. Okay. Means again it is from a cone. Okay. One is bottom cone, another one upper cone. What is the upper cone height? 8. Upper cone height is how much? 8. And what is the heights ratio here? 4:8. 4:8 means 1:2. Heights are 1:2 means radius also 1:2 or not? Or what is the total height? 12. Total height are 12. And here 8 and 12 are in which ratio? 2:3. Those two heights are 2:3 means radius also 2:3. What is the total radius? 9. Heights are 2:3 ratio means heights are 2:3 ratio, then radius also 2:3 ratio. Means what is the larger one? Cone radius 900 means smaller radius 600. Okay, radius of the upper portion is how much? 6. What is the height of the upper portion? 8. Radius of upper portion 6. What is the question here? Volume of the smaller one means required upper portion or bottom portion? Upper portion. What is the volume of a upper portion? 4/3. Sorry, cone means it is 1/3 pi r square h(r). 1/3 pi common r square 36 into h 8(r). 3 almost 12. 12 8 the 96 pi r. If heights are 2:3, radius also 2:3. Next question number 54. What is the difference between the expenditure of entertainment and others expenditure of a Harry in a month? What is the entertainment percentage? 11. Other 17. Difference 6%. 6% of 60,000 means 3,600. 6% of 60,000, 3,600. Next 55. A plus 1/2a equal to how much? 4. Then what is the value of 4a square minus 1/a square? Okay. What is the a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. Next, a minus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay. What is the first one? A plus 1/2a equal to how much? 4. Multiplied by both sides 200. Means we are getting 2a plus 1/a equal to 800. That is 2a plus 1/a equal to how much? 800. Means a is 2a, b is 1/a. It is we are treated as which one? A term. This one b term. A plus b whole square 8 square. What is the 8 square? 64. 4a 4 into what is the a value? 2a. B value 1/a. A cancel. 4 to the 8. 64 minus 8. 56. Means a minus b whole square equal to how much? 56. Then a minus b equal to square root of 56. Square root of 56. What is the question here? 4a square minus 1/a square. That is written as 2a whole square minus 1/a whole square. Yes or no? That is a square minus b square format. A square minus b square format. A square minus b square means written a plus b into a minus b. What is the a plus b value? 8. What is the a minus b value? Root 56. Then it is equal to written which one? 8 into square root of 56. 8 into square root of 56 means 2 root 14. 56 means 4 into 14. Yes or no? This one we written 2 root 14. 8 2s are 16 root 14. Actually we required 2a whole square minus 1/a whole square. That is consider a square minus b square format. Means that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Again we required a minus b value, means first we have taken a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay. Question number 56. A laptop is purchased for 32,000 and its rate depreciates at 15% annually. Decrease or increased? Decreased. In how many years will its value 19,652? What is the initial value? 32,000. After some years 19,652. Okay. Denominator 32 how many times? 1000 times. అంతే కదా. 32 how many times numerator? 6 times. 32 6 192. What is the remaining? 4 45. How many times? 1 time. What is the remaining? 32 6 192. Remaining 45. How many times? 1 time. What is the remaining? 130. 32 6 192. What is the remaining? 45. 45 means 1 time. What is the remaining? 13. Again 132 or not? 132 is exactly divisible by 32? No. 16 how many times denominator? 2000 times or not? Or we know the fourth table very well or not? Divide by 32,000. 4 how many times denominator? 8,000. Numerator 4 4s 16. What is the remaining? 36. 9 1 3 or not? 8,000 perfect cube. 8,000 perfect cube. 4913. Both are in perfect cube. Time period 3 years. Next question number 17. What is the area of a square which is circumscribed by a circle of area 56 pi square units? Area of a square which is circumscribed by a circle means outer diagram circle, inner diagram square. Okay, means diagonal of a square equal to which one? Diameter of a diagonal of a square equal to which one? Diameter of a circle. What is the diameter of a circle? 2r. What is the diagonal of a square? Root 2 into a. Okay, and squaring on both sides. 4r square equal to 2a square. Then a square equal to 4r square by 2. Nothing but 2r square. We required which one? Area of a square means we required a square value. And one more, circle area is given how much? 56 pi. Circle area means pi r square, that is equal to 56 pi r. Both sides pi cancel. What is r square? 56. But we required 2r square. What is the answer? 2 into 56. Answer 112. Question number 58. Which of the following will be the third side of a triangle with two its sides a 24 and 79 centimeters? Triangle, what is the number of sides? 3 sides, A, B, C. Any triangle are taken. Any triangle are taken. A plus B is greater than C, or A minus B is less than C. A plus B is always greater than C. A minus B is always less than C. And here what are the sides are given? 24 and 79. 24 plus 79. 24 plus 79 is greater than C value, and 24 and 79, what is the difference? 79 and 24 difference is less than C value. Okay, sum must be greater than C, difference must be less than C here. Okay, 24 plus 79, 103 or 113? 103. 79 and 24 difference 55, means C value is in between 55 and 103. C value is in between 55 and 103, more than 55 but less than 103. First option possible? No. Second option? No. Third option? Yes. Fourth one? No. Next question number 59. Anyone need? Chapala. Next question number 60. What is the value of question number 60? Value of cosecant square 12 minus tan square 78. In place of tan square 78, we return cot square 12 or not? Cot square 12. In place of tan square 78, we return cot square 12. Means cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. How much? 1. Numerator value 1. And denominator sin square 24 plus sin square 66. In place of sin square 66, we return cos square 24. Sin square 24 plus cos square 24, 1. Denominator also 1. Minus tan 30. 1 by 2. 1 by root 3. Nothing but 1 by 3. Cot 45. 1. Means minus 1 or plus 1 minus 1 cancel or what is the remaining? Minus 1 by 3. 61. What is the smallest 5-digit number which leaves a remainder 8 when divided by 24, 32, 18, 36 and 48? We required smallest 5-digit number or not? Smallest 5-digit number means 10,000 or not? Then answer must be more than 10,000 but nearby 10,000 or not? And it will be leaves remainder 8 or not? Means all the options are including remainder or without remainder? Including remainder. Okay, and each option we are subtracting remaining value, remainder value. 111, 18. Second one 10080. Next third one 10980. Last one we are subtracting remainder. What is that? 112, 240. Okay, all these are other than the remainder value. Means that values are exactly divisible by given numbers or given values are 24, 32, 18, 9 multiple, 36 also 9 multiple. Out of the given values only one, if only one value are 9 multiple, answer also 9 multiple or okay. And here first option is 9 multiple? No. Second option? Yes. Third option? Yes. Means two options are. Fourth option? No. Okay. In these two options, which one is closer to 10,000? Second option or? Because we required least 5-digit number or not? Means it is closer to which one? 10,000. Which one is closer? 10,088 or 10,988? 10,088. Then answer second option. Next question number 62. Two rifles are fired from the same place at a difference of 5 minutes and 30 seconds, but a man who is coming towards the same place in a bike hear the second sound after 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Then find the speed of the bike. Okay, we required which one? Speed of the bike. Assuming sound of speed of the sound is how much? 330 meter per second. And here two rifles are fired, means released sounder. Okay, sound more speed or less speed? More speed. Compared to bike, sound speed is more. Speed or more means time will be lesser, but distance same distance means bike traveled distance and sound traveled distance both are in same. Write down the point. Sound traveled sound traveled sound traveled 6 seconds distance. Sound traveled 6 seconds distance. Sound traveled 6 seconds distance equal to bike traveled 5 minutes 24 seconds distance. Sound traveled in 6 seconds of distance, it is also equal to which one? Bike traveled 5 minutes 24 seconds distance. Because what is the time difference of the firing? 5 minutes 30 seconds or okay, but person's difference will be how much? 5 minutes 24 seconds or means sound traveled only that 30 seconds or only that 6 seconds or one is 5 minutes 30, another one 5 minutes 24 seconds. Okay, from first position to second position, how much time are sound taken? 6 seconds. The same positions from A to B, bike how much time are taken? 5 minutes 24 seconds or first time point A, second one point B. From A to B, sound how much time are taken? 6 seconds. But A to B, bike how much time are taken? 5 minutes 24 seconds or okay, then both cover distance are same or different? Same. Sound traveled 6 seconds distance, it is also equal to bike traveled 5 minutes 24 seconds distance or and sound distance means speed into time or what is the sound speed? 330 into how many seconds? 6 seconds. And bike speed BS into time is how much? 5 minutes 24 seconds or 5 minutes means 300 plus 24, 324 or 6 how many times? 5 again 4 times or then bike speed is how much? 330 by 54 converted to kilometer per hour multiplied by 18 by 5 or 18 how many times? 3 times or 5 3s are 15 how many times? 22 times or kilometer per hour. When these questions, it is always written sound taken less time, sound taken less time, but both are covered equal distance or what is the sound time? In between difference, in between time of 5 minutes 30 seconds and 5 minutes 24 seconds. Next question number 63. The largest 5-digit number that is exactly divisible by 81. Largest 5-digit number, it is closer to 99999. Answer must be nearby 99999 but less than 99999. And it is exactly divisible by which one? 81 means answer must be multiple of 9. First option 9 multiple, yes. Second option no. Third option no. Fourth option no. Then answer first one. 64. The difference between 3/4 of 2/5 of a number is 1/8 and 3/8 of the same number is 18. Any number is always 100%. Here 3/4 means 75%, 2/5 means 40%. What is the 75% of 40%? 75% of 40%, 30%. Half kada? 75% of 40%, 30%. Next 1/8 means 12.5%. 3/5 means 60%. 12.5% of 60% means 50% plus 10%. What is the 50%? 6.25. 10% 1.25. Total it is 7.5%. these two difference equal to how much? 18 and 30 and 7.5 difference, 22.5% equal to 18. But we required that number 100%. Okay. 9 cancel. 9 2s are 9, 9 2.5. Okay. Means it is almost 40. 42s are 80. Next question number. Normal ga fractions multiply chesina same vastadi. Next 65. A can do a piece of work in 20 days, B can do it in 25 days. B works alone for first day and A works alone on the second and third day. First day B work, second and third day A work. On first day B, second day A, third day also A or not? Okay. What is the LCM of 20 and 25? 100. Total work is how much? 100. A efficiency 5 parts, B efficiency 4 parts. First day 4 parts complete, second day 5 parts, third day also 5 parts are. Every 3 days how many parts are completed? 14 parts are. Every 3 days 14 parts completed. What is the next one? This process continue till the work is completed. In how many days will double the work be completed? Double work means 100 double 200 means total work is how much? 200. Okay. What is the 3 days work? 14. 200 closer value multiple of 14. 196. 14 4 is how much? 196. Every 3 days we are completed 14 parts. Then it is 14 times means 14 3 is how much? 42 days. After 42 days how many units are completed? 196. Per 3 days 14 parts, 42 days 196. What is the remaining work? 4 parts. Out of 200 196 completed. What is the remaining? 4 parts. On 42 day, on 42nd day, which one are working? 42nd A. Next day B. What is the B 1 day work? 4. Remaining 4 units completed by B. How much time are taken? 1 day. Total 43 days. Next question number 66. A bike was purchased for 80,000 and its price was marked by 20% above the cost price. It was sold at a discount of 15% on the marked price. Then what was the profit or loss percent on the bike? CP is always 100%. Market price 20% above means market price is 120%. What is the discount? 15%. 15% of 120. 10%, 12, 5%, 6, 12 plus 6, 18, 120 minus 18, 102. Selling price is 102, cost price is 100. Profit or loss? Profit. 2% profit. Next question number 67. Increasing in the numerator of a fraction by 300% and denominator by 350%. The resulting fraction is 4 by 15. What is the original fraction? Original fraction means we are consider A by B. Numerator is increased by 300%. What is the new fraction? 400. And denominator is increased by 350. What is the new value? 450. Increased by 300 means adding 300. Increased by 350 means adding 350. That is equal to which fraction? 4 by 15. Numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel. 15 almost 3 times. 4 10 times. Then A by B equal to 3 by 10. Next question number 68. 3 cosecant A equal to which one? 4 sin A. Cosecant A means 1 by sin A means that is 3 by sin A. Okay. This one we return 3 equal to 4 into sin square A. Then sin A equal to how much? root 3 by 2 or not? That is equal to sine 60 or not? Sine 60. Denominator sine, it will become right hand side product or not? Sine A into sine A, sine square A or not? 3 equal to 4 sine square A, sine A equal to square root of 3 by 4, nothing but root 3 by 2 or not? Then A equal to how much? 60 or not? A value are 60. Cosecant square A means cosecant square 60 or not? What is the cos 60? Cosecant 60. Sine root 3 by 2. Cos cosecant 2 by root 3 or not? Nothing but 4 by 3 by cot square A. Cot 60. How much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means 1 by 3 or not? Minus sine 60. 3 by 4 or not? And numerator 4 by 3. Denominator 4 into 1 4. 3 into 3 9. Minus 5 by 12 or not? That is written as 12 by minus 5 or not? 3 almost 4 times. 4 for the 16 means minus 16 by 5. Which college is the difference between appeared candidates and passed candidates is minimum? Which one is minimum difference? What is the first one difference? 25. Second one 35. 35. Third one 52. Next one more than 50. Next one more than 40. Obviously here. Next question number 70. The average age of 75 boys is how much? 14 years, out of which 25 have an average of 16 years and the other 25 have 12 years, sir. What is the average of the remaining boys, sir? Here first time how many boys? 25. Second time also 25. Remaining also 25. What is the ratio? 1:1:1. What is the one part average? First one 16. Another one part 12. But we required another one part average. Total how many parts? 3 parts. What is the 3 parts average? 14 plus equal. It is how much right hand side? 42. 16 plus 12 28. What is the remaining? 14 means question mark equal to 14 or what is the original average? 14. By using equality concept, every person is how much? 14. Compared to 14, first 25 persons 16. How much average are increased? 2. Each one 2 increased. 25 persons 50 increased. Plus 50 or minus 50? Plus 50. Already value 14. 14 plus 50. Next one. Next 25 members average 12. Compared to original average 2 lesser. Means each one 2 less. 25 persons minus 50. Okay. 14 plus 50 minus 50. Plus 50 minus 50 cancel. What is the remaining? 14. Suppose if you are getting plus 1, what is the answer we written? 14 plus 1. If you are getting minus 1, 13. Okay. But you are getting plus 0. What is the answer? 14. Next 71. A man sells X apples for the cost price of 40 apples such that he gained 33 1 by 3%. How many apples he bought? And here expenditure is same or different? Same. Means articles and price both are in inversely proportional, directly proportional. Inversely proportional. What is the profit percent? 33 1 by 3%. What is the fraction? 1 by 3 or not? Means CP and SP price ratio we return 3:4. Price are 3:4. Articles 4:3 or not? CP how many parts? 4 parts articles. SP 3 parts are. What are the 4 parts? 40 articles. Then 3 parts 30 articles are. Next question number 72. P and PB are tangents drawn from an external point P of a circle of center O. If angle APB equal to how much? 44 degrees, then what is the value of angle OAB? Okay, first circle with center over, okay, and external point P. One is point A, another one point B, and PA and PB both are in tangents. P and PB are tangents drawn from external point of a circle from center O, and these two are joined. These two are joined. OA value and OB value, radius. OA value and OB value, radius, and angle A, total angle A and angle B equal to which one? 90 degrees. Means A total is how much? 90. B also total 90. And already APB equal to how much value are given? 44. Means this one is given 44. Okay. A 90, B 90. 90 plus 90, 180. In triangle triangle quadrilateral OAPBO. In this one, what is the sum of the angles? 360. In that 360, A is 90, B also 90. 90 plus 90, 180. And what is the P value? 44. Total it is 224. What is the remaining? Out of 360, we are subtracting 224. What is the remaining? 136. That 136 are which one? O value. O value is how much? 136. And one more. OA and OB equal angle or different? Equal. Means what is the OAB triangle? Angle OAB. It is a triangular. In this triangle, what is the sum of the angles? 180. In that O value already 136. And OA and OB are equal value or different value? Equal value. Out of 180, 136 is completed. What is the remaining? 44. That 44 is sum of the A and B. Okay. Means each one is how much? 44 by 2. Each one 22. Means angle OAB equal to how much? 22 degrees. OA value and OB values are equal or different? Equal. If it is x, it is also x. X plus x equal to 2x equal to 44. X value 22. Next 73. A container contains 100 liters of milk. From this container, 10 liters of milk was taken out and replaced by water. This process was repeated further 2 times. How much water is now contained by the container? Every time out of 100 liters, how many liters are taken? 10 liters. Means again it is replaced by water. Means there is no change in total mixture. What is the ratio? 10 is to 1. 10 is to 1. What is the percentage? 10%. Every time out of 100 10 liters, what is the percentage? 10%. Out of 100%, every time 10% are taken. Means every time 1 by 10th fraction are taken. What is the remaining fraction? 9 by 10. Means initial milk are 10 parts, final milk are initial milk 10 parts, final milk 9 parts. How many operations are there? 3 operations. Already first one, this process is repeated further 2 times. Overall 3 operations are 9 cube is how much? 729. 10 cube 1000. Means initial milk quantity 1000 parts, final milk quantity 729 parts. Obviously remaining water. Water is how many parts? 271 by 1000 of how many liters? 100 liters. There is no change in total mixture. 2 zeros cancel. What is the remaining? 27.1. Suppose if required milk, what is the answer we written? 72.9 or skip the 74 question. It will be time taken question. Next to 75. The respective ratio in the present age of man and his wife is how much? 10:11. What is the present ratio? 10:11. After 8 years ratio? 12:13. If at the time of marriage the ratio was, at the time of marriage the ratio was, means past or present? Past. Means past ratio was given 6:7. What is the question here? How many years ago their marriage took place? Okay. Two persons difference, past, present, future, always same. Future how many parts difference? One part. Present also one part. Past also one part. We are not changing the ratios. Okay. What is the present man is how many parts? 10 parts. After 8 years 12 parts. How many parts are increased? 2 parts. 2 parts equal to 8 years or not? Means every year, every 8 years of time, man is increased by 2 parts. Woman also increased by 2 parts or not? Okay. What is the question here? How many years ago their marriage took place or not? Some years back, how many parts? 6 parts. At present 10 parts. How many parts are increased? 4 parts or not? Means present to past, how many years are subtracting? 4 parts or not? Yes or no? What is the 2 parts value? 8 years. But present to past, how many years, how many parts are subtracting? 4 parts. What is the 4 parts value? 16 years or not? Okay. Present to future, how many parts are increased? 2 parts. But present to past, how many parts are decreased? 4 parts or not? Okay. What is the 4 parts value? 16. Means how many years back ratio? 16 years back ratio.